Please sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Rebecca ma'am, on your camera. Maria ma'am. Maria ma'am. You are at home or in Bali Yoga School?
Yes.
You are at home or Bali Yoga School?
Yes, I am in Yoga Bali School.
Bali Yoga School, okay. How many students are there?
What?
How many students are there?
I think we are all connected.
How many? 4?
For 300, we are 4, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Is my voice clear? Keep on your camera. Don't off. Okay. So open your notebook. And write down anatomical terms. Some anatomical terms are there. Write down. The first term is tachy, T-A-C-H-Y, tachy. Tachy means excessively fast, excessively fast. Example, tachycardia. Tachycardia, fast rate of heartbeat. That is fast rate of heartbeat, tachycardia. The second term is Brady, B-R-A-D-Y, Brady. Brady means slow, excessively slow. Example, bradycardia, slow rate of heartbeat. Next term is nephro, N-E-P-H-R-O, nephro. That is kidney, K-I-D-N-E-Y. K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney. Nephro relates to kidney. Next is neuro, N-E-U-R-O, neuro. Neuro relates to nerve, N-E-R-V-E, nerve. Next term is vaso, V-A-S-O, vaso. That is vessel, V-E-S-S-E-L. Next term, tumor, T-U-M-O-R, tumor. What is tumor? Anybody?
Can you please write it on the board
What?
so we can read it?
Tumor, T-U.
Write it on the board so we can.
Okay. T-U-M-O-R, tumor. What is tumor? Is it visible? Tumor is the overproduction of cells. Overproduction of cells. When new cells generated and old cells not getting die. Clear? Next term is medial, MEDIAL.
What's that? I can only hear like 1 out of 20 words you say.
Repeat again.
So I can only hear like 1 out of every 20 words that you say.
You can't hear me.
Connection breaks up. It logs me out. I have to log back in.
But here
You can write it
I-
on the board, but bigger. You don't have to spell it. You can just write it on the board and make it bigger letters. Do you think that is possible?
Christina ma'am. Christina ma'am. Christina ma'am, please on your camera, on your video.
If we turn on the camera, we don't have good connection. Word.
You are in Bali Yoga School? Yeah. Are you in Bali Yoga School or at home?
Yes, Bali Yoga School. 4 of us.
Okay.
Me, no, not me.
You not at Bali Yoga School? So your connection is good?
It's fine by Yaya.
Yeah. You can hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice?
I hear it, but sometimes it cuts off, so maybe you switch it. Come closer to the camera. Cuts off sometimes.
Okay. Next term is medial, MEDIAL. That is structure near midline. Structure near midline. Next term is lateral, LATERAL, lateral. That is structure away from midline. Structure away from midline. Next term is proximal, PROXIMAL, proximal. That is attachment near the limb. Attachment near the limb. Next term distal, DISTAL. That is attachment distance from limb. Attachment distance from limb. Next term is anterior. Anterior. Anterior or ventral. ventral, anterior or ventral. That is front part of body. Front part of body is known as anterior. Next term is posterior. Posterior or dorsal, dorsal, dorsal. That is back part of body, back part of body.
Recording in progress.
Next term is superior, superior, superior. That is part near the head, parts near the head. Next term is inferior, inferior, inferior. Parts near the toe. Those are parts near the toe. Those parts near the toe comes under inferior section. Clear? Any question? Rebecca ma'am. Now our next topic is skeletal system. Write down skeletal system, skeletal, skeletal system, system. Write down, it provides structure to the body. It provides structure to the body and protects internal organs. It provides a structure to the body and protects internal organs. The skeletal system divided into two parts. The skeletal system divided into two parts. First one is exoskeleton. First one is exoskeleton, EXO. Exoskeleton. What is exoskeleton? It is the system where bones found outside of the body, means bones make cover on animal body. Those animals who have outer covering of bones comes under exoskeleton. The second part is endoskeleton. Second part is endoskeleton, ENDO, endoskeleton. In this system, the bones found inside the body. In this system, bones found inside the body. Examples are all mammals and all birds who have skeleton inside the body, means bones inside the body. The next topic is human skeletal system. Human skeletal system, HUMAN, human skeleton, SKELETAL, human skeletal system. How many bones are there in human skeleton? Anybody? Christiana ma'am. Christiana ma'am, tell me how many bones in their human skeleton? There is 206 bones. There is 206 bones in human skeletal system. And these 206 bones divided into two groups. These 206 bones divided into two groups. The first one is axial skeleton. The first group is axial skeleton. It consists of 80 bones. It contains 80 bones. It covers all the bones. It covers all the bones along the body's central long axis. And it consists of skull. This is a part of skull, our skull, head part. It consists of a skull including middle ear bones with hyoid bone. It consists of a skull with skull including middle ear bones with hyoid bone, vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column, COLUMN, and thoracic cage, THORACIC, thoracic cage. Second part is appendicular skeleton, APPEN, DICULAR, appendicular skeleton, SKELETON. appendicular skeleton. How many bones are there in appendicular skeleton? Christiana ma'am. Maria ma'am. Nobody is hearing me.
Recording in progress.
Appendicular skeleton have 126 bones. Appendicular skeleton have 126 bones. And these 126 bones contains with pectoral girdle, PECTORAL, pectoral girdle, that is also known as shoulder girdle, pectoral girdle known as shoulder girdle, the upper limbs, pelvic girdle, PELVIC, pelvic girdle, and lower limb. Pelvic girdle also known as hip girdle, and lower limb, LOWER, lower limb. Now write down the first part, axial skeleton. Axial skeleton which have 80 bones. Christina ma'am, how many bones in axial skeleton? Axial skeleton have 80 bones and it divided into 3 parts. It divided into 3 parts. The first part is skull, SKULL, skull with middle ear bones and head bone. Skull with middle ear bone and head bone. Middle ear have 6 bones. Middle ear have 6 bones, 3 each side, and there is 1 head bone below mandible and above larynx, also known as tongue bone. The second part is vertebral column, VERTEBRAL, vertebral column, COLUMN. And the third part is thoracic cage, THORACIC, thoracic cage, CAGE, thoracic cage. Christina ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Maria ma'am, okay, nobody is listening from Bali Yoga School. So enough for today's class. Now I am going to close the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om followed by closing mantra. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pasyanto. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Santi, Santi, Santi. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an edge slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Any question from today's class? Christiana ma'am? What? Notes? Okay, no problem. Recorded videos available on Himalayan Yoga site. Refer those videos.